If your password looks like this, you are already hacked, and most people didn't even realize it. Millions of people still use weak passwords, like their name, date of birth, or simple patterns. Hackers don't guess, they use tools. So I built a password strength analyzer, a simple tool that tells you if your password is weak, medium, or strong. Let's test some passwords. This is extremely weak, easy to crack by the uses of dictionary attacks. Now this better but still predictable. This is strong, complex, and hard to brute force. This tool works based on few simple checks like length, upper plus lowercase, numbers, special characters. The more combination your password has, the harder it is to crack. This is not just a project. Tools like this are used in real systems to prevent attacks. If you want to try this tool by yourself, I've shared the full project on my GitHub page. You can download it, run it, and test your own passwords. And trust me, if your password is weak, it's not a matter of if, it's when it gets hacked. I'll be building more cybersecurity tools like this, so stay tuned.